Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 3D car DVR. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As item number 3, we've selected AHE3D 360-degree parking camera. Specifications: brand name, SmartTour. Max external memory, 32GB. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 7 inches. Video code, H.264. Special features, waterproof. Imaging sensor, 1/3 Sony CCD. Frames per second, 15. Screen ratio, 16:9. Item number 2 is Bird View System Car DVR. Specifications: brand name, SmartTour. Max external memory, 32GB. Number of lenses, 4. Display size, 7 inches. Imaging sensor, 1/3 Sony CCD. Interface, AV out. Frames per second, 10. On the top of our list at number 1 we have 3D 1080p HD 360-degree bird view surround system. Specifications: brand name, SmartTour. Max external memory, 32GB. Number of lenses, 4. Origin, CN origin. Display size, 7 inches. Video code, H.264. Imaging sensor, 1/3 Sony CCD. Frames per second, 10. 3D, 1080p. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.